Aloha everybody. Hi, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute pineapple hand sanitizer gift. This is something that we gave as a treat to the Maui incentive trip earners when they were at the Grand Wailea on Maui this week. So stay tuned. I hope you make one of these yourselves. They're super cute. So this is actually really fast, the way we make this one. I try to do it all in colors. You know, aren't those pretty together? I really like the soft look of these in colors. And so I wanted to show them off because they're kind of new. And so the first thing I did was I started with fresh freesia, and that's one of the in colors. I cut it at 8.5 by 2 inches. Okay, and then I'm scoring it at, let me see, 1/2, which is hard to even get in here. 1/2 inch, 1.5, three and 5/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 and 5/8. Now, if you're going to do a bunch of these like we did for the Grand Wailea, you might want to use your simply scored board because you can just put the little markers there and not even think about it, and you won't make any mistakes. So there's the base of it, and then I'm going to grab some punches. So I'm using Delightful Tag Topper Punch, and you know how to open these, right, you guys? You just they store flat for so that you can store them easily, and you just move that little lever and it opens it up. For this one, you can it's kind of got these dividers so that you can easily use something that's cut at 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. And of course, mine is 2 inches. You slide it all the way until it stops, and then you just push down. And there it makes a real cute, it's usually, I use it for tags usually, but this is my kind of a decorative edge for this. And then on this 1 inch section I have here, I'm going to use a 3/4 inch punch and go in. And this is retired. I'm very sad to say. You'll have to use a retired punch, or else possibly use your layering circles and just go in there and do it that way. Those are dies. But anyway, I'm using my punch. And then next thing I'm going to do is just fold along the lines like this. Okay, so I'm kind of making a little box for this, and I'm going to put some adhesive here. Now, for boxes and sturdy things, a lot of times I'll use Stamp & Seal Plus. This time I could only find my Stamp & Seal, but it's the main trick with this is use a really light touch. Don't push down really hard, or your adhesive will stick to the part up here and get kind of gummed up. So don't do that. I'm just putting some on there. And then we were really so happy that 2 of my team members, Linda Jarman and Julie Lays, they looked all around Lahaina, found an ABC store that had these tropical hand sanitizers. They're so perfect. There was one that's pink plumeria. The one in here, I think, is a pineapple, and I think there was something like sea breeze. So we were pretty happy. We kept making them go back to the store when we found out more people were coming. So you stick it through the hole, and then, can you guys see? I'm just lining it up so it's straight. You press it on there, and there you go. That's it. And then you can decorate it any way you want, and it's super cute. But of course, we needed to decorate it with a pineapple. Now this is from, let me get it out and figure out what it is. it was, I know what it is, I just forgot. It's In the Tropics Dyes, okay? And sadly, I've lost my Aloha, and that's a bad thing to lose. And so I might, if I can't find it, I know it's here someplace, but there's this cute little, this little Aloha dye is here someplace. And if I can't find it, I am just going to order another whole set because I have to have that. Oh, so for this one, I'm sorry. I used the adhesive sheets and stuck them on the back for this because it's harder to put little drops of glue and not have it ooze out. And I just wanted it not to be sticky. So I'm putting it on here using that. Oh, you know what I need to do first? Doggone it. Sorry, you guys. It's the trouble with lives. Okay, so I had the leaves I cut out of soft succulent, and I'm just popping those up a little bit. I'm gonna put a little line of glue up here. So I just want to kind of get these leaves on here. And then I'm going to stick them down a lot better by putting this on top. There you go. Now they're in there really good. Okay, and then what do I do next? Okay, this tag is kind of new. It's in the new catalog, and they've got like, I think about 8 tags, different sizes, and they even have cute little, you know, you can do a little circle, or there's a different shape that goes around here so that if I wanted to, I could put a little pink circle or something there. They're really cute, tailor-made tags dies, and I think you guys are going to want those. I'm really going to use them a lot. So what I would normally do if I could find my Aloha, I'm so bummed. So this one, I use polished pink, and I put because this is teeny tiny and I didn't want glue all over. So I use those multi-purpose, or the adhesive sheets, they're called. Just put a strip on the back of the cardstock and then punched it out, and you peel off that layer, and then you have Aloha. So this is a blank one, waiting for some Aloha. So let's pretend that it has Aloha right there. And then I just glue it down, glue about half of the tag. I had, these are also from In the Tropics dies, these little flowers. So I'm just putting a dot of glue around and arranging them. You could of course use a dimensional on 1 or 2. Glue down. The nice thing about this Tombow, the multi-purpose glue, is that once it dries, it's really, really strong. So right now it's not, but when it's dry, they're not going to fall off. I could also have used glue dots or dimensionals. I'm almost out of these things too, but these are really cute. They're new, and they're called Genial Gems, and they have lots of sparkle. See that? And they're in colors. I think this is probably soft succulent and pale papaya. So you can tell I used all the pale papaya. I'm just going to do the green ones now on these. And you could mix them. I really like embellishments. It's hard to just stop when there's so many blingy things you can put on there. So we went to the Grand Wailea, me and some of my team. Okay, that's basically done, but you can tell there's a big Aloha left out. And I'll have to add that when I find it. But I hope you guys think about making these, and you can just embellish them however you want, but it's a really cute base for some hand sanitizers. But we went to the Grand Wailea and just gave these out when people were arriving there from the incentive trip. It's really difficult to earn those trips. So those guys, we really wanted to congratulate them and welcome them to Maui. And they were super friendly and excited that they were there, that we were there. And it was so fun to meet so many people and to see some of my old friends. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you guys are inspired to make one of these. Okay, aloha.